If somebody looks at your sales page and they eventually end up on the checkout page, but they don't buy, Kajabi allows you to do something called a cart abandonment email. We're gonna talk all about it in this video, how to set it up, how to automate it, and when to use it on Kajabi. This is day 47 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're doing 90 straight days of videos all about your online business and how to start it, build it, and grow it on the best online business platform there is, which is Kajabi. And if you're thinking about jumping on Kajabi, then use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, 30 days to try it out, see if you like it, see if it's the best fit for you. You're also gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on the platform. And I'm also gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it. So if you appreciate what we do on this channel and you're gonna jump on a Kajabi anyway, then I would appreciate it so much if you use my link. So there's gonna be people who look at your sales page, who make it all the way to your checkout page, who are considering buying your course, but at the last minute, maybe they get distracted, maybe they decide they're gonna come back to it later, maybe they're just trying to make up their minds. Kajabi has an amazing solution for this problem of procrastination, if that's what it is. If they're planning on buying or considering buying, but they're just not doing it yet, the solution is a cart abandonment email. So when you make your offer, if you go to edit checkout, towards the bottom of the page, you'll see something called a cart abandonment email. This is very simple. All you do is write the email that you want to send to them, and you can determine whether it's gonna send an hour later, 6 hours later, a day later, and then you can say anything you want in the email. Might be something as simple as, hey, I noticed that you were checking out XYZ product, but you didn't end up joining. Are there any questions I can answer to make this decision easier for you? Another thing you can do, which I've seen lots of companies do this, and it's a really great way of incentivizing purchases. In the email, you can include maybe a 20% off promo code and just say, hey, I noticed you were in the cart, you didn't buy, 20% off if you go back and purchase. All of this is super easy to do, and it's just one of many things that you can do to make sure that your course sales are maximized. If you didn't check out yesterday, I talked about going back to people who didn't buy during launch and offering them a payment plan. That and a cart abandonment email are 2 really great automated ways that Kajabi makes it possible to maximize sales and minimize losses. So to do it yourself, go to your checkout page, click on cart abandonment, and write the email. At this point, you can try out Kajabi using my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in the series, and let me know in the comments what questions you have so I can answer them in future videos. At this point, you can check out this playlist right here where we'll go even more in depth into Kajabi and answer any questions that you might have. So click right here on this playlist and I'll see you in there, and we'll talk more about Kajabi.